Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the monthly DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and this month the theme is red, white and blue. I'm going to make a sign, a patriotic sign, and I'm going to use one of these beautiful chalkboard signs. Again, I'm saying this almost in every video because in almost every video I'm using things from the dumpster. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumster Chicks. You will find the link in the description box below. So we find real treasures in the dumpsters, and at Michael's like a year ago we found all these kind of chalkboard signs. Here I have 5 and this one 6, but we found like 10 or so. We have already used some of them, donated and given away some of them. These are the leftovers that we have. Talking about links, you will also find the link to Heidi's channel in the description box. If you haven't been there already, please go and visit her channel, and as I always say, you will get a lot of new ideas, a lot of inspiration, and she's really talented, honestly, really talented. And you will also find the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. Before getting into the sign, I have to tell you something and ask you for forgiveness, because I've just noticed how my nails look. But I really need to finish this video today, so please don't look at my nails. I forgot to remove the nail polish, and so look at the sign, don't look at my hands. They are not pretty anyway. Okay. The first thing I did was to find on internet an image that I liked and print it in vellum paper. And let me see, I have here, bear with me. Here is the sign I printed. This was one image and this was another image, and I assembled them to place this image here. I always use vellum paper because it makes it easier to transfer the image, but in this case I didn't need to go around with a pencil in the back, because believe it or not, by chance I found this envelope hidden. I didn't remember I had this. It was hidden under a box, and look what it is. Transfer paper in different colors. So one of them is white, two of them, I think I have 2 sheets of white, yes, transfer paper. So I thought, this is awesome, because I transferred everything, you know, already in white. I only had to go over the things I transferred with my favorite chalk marker, and that was it. So honestly, I really recommend you, if you can get your hands or invest in some transfer paper, do it. Especially the white one, because transferring on black with a pencil is really uncomfortable. Then you have to like twist the thing to see what was transferred. This is awesome, awesome. So well, once I transferred the image, I painted it in white, I fill in the letters, and then I went all around making these stars to give it kind of a border, because I didn't like how it looks without the border. Now I'm fighting with this cord. Let me put it here. Let me tell you, these stars are really easy to make. Well, I lost the marker now. Here it is. I don't know if you know how to make them, how to draw them. It's like drawing a letter A. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make a big one. You do this, go back here, and then you go up, horizontal, and you finish the line touching the first corner you made. Of course, when they are so tiny, you don't need to fill them in, but if you are making a larger star like this one, then you paint it inside and that's it. So that's what I did all around. It took me a minute. Now I'm going to adhere these flags here. I've already placed this square, foam square. They are from Dollar Tree and they are great when you want to give any item a three-dimensional look. So I'm going to adhere this. And use this side. Do this here. I think I have enough glue for both flags, so I'm going to kind of paint the second one. Okay. I still have too much glue, so much better. Now I'm going to remove the protector from this one. I want this here. Like so. Let's do the same with this one. And this is going to go here. Okay. So I'm going to finish this sign, that as you can see is really quick. It's a very quick DIY. With red, white and blue ribbons. I've already glued them with hot glue to the back so they won't move when I move them to the front. And I'm going to make some knots, just simple knots. Here we have the 3 knots, and I didn't have the red ribbon that I wanted in this shade of red, but well, I had to use what I had at home. I will probably change it if I can get or buy more ribbon in this kind of red. But anyways, I think it looks really, really good. And it's simple, easy, and kind of different. I wanted something different, you know, and I wanted something that had a kind of a farmhouse touch. The mason jar makes it kind of farmhousey, and I really like it. I really do. I hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please visit the channel of the hostess and the playlist and our dumpster diving channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Heidi for hosting the monthly challenge, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.